Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video directly into your Canva presentations. It's super simple, and yeah, it can make your slides way more interactive, so let's dive right in. First, open the Canva presentation you want to add your video to. You can either create a new one or open an existing project, whatever works for you. Next, go to the Apps or More section on the left sidebar and type in YouTube in the search bar. Uh, Once you see the YouTube icon, click on it to connect your account if needed. Now, search for your video by pasting the YouTube URL or typing keywords. Once you find the right clip, just click or drag it onto your slide. Canva will automatically embed it so your video plays right inside your presentation. You can resize the video, move it around, or even crop it if you want. Yeah, you can add other elements on top or around it, just like any other Canva object. And that's it. Your YouTube video is now part of your Canva presentation. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips like this. All right, thanks for watching and see you next time.